Alright guys, let me go ahead and reduce this. I am going to give you an update on where I see things heading and some coins you can probably get into still at a decent price. So right here you can see I have Litecoin pulled up, and what I've done is I've scaled back to the weekly chart right here, and what I want you guys to see is where it is currently and then where the all-time high hit back in the early or late 2017, early 18. All right, uh, Litecoin came up and touched about 368, and then very swiftly came down. Okay, and then bounced and came down, bounced, came down, just kind of ground down all through 2018, bottomed out in December 18, January 19 at about, looks like $23.26, and then made a run up from there, came back down, and just kind of range bound here. And so, of course, starting October of 2020, it started its next bull run. And so here we are today. This is the minimum right here that it's going to hit, and actually 360 something. That's the minimum it's going to hit. It's going to probably go up higher. Let's go get Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin Cash is just barely starting to come up, and you can see over here this red number is where it's at. It's $552.63 today. Its all-time high in 2017 18 was $4,326. So we've got a good amount of run on Bitcoin Cash. I think you can accumulate some of that if you want. Zcash. Zcash came from an all-time high of you got to understand that Zcash is a hard fork off of Bitcoin, and it was turned into it was turned into what do they call it? It's kind of like Monero. It's a cryptographic coin. It's hard to trace. So I don't remember the exact term for it, but it's like Monero. It's really difficult to trace it, and that's one of the reasons that they split it off. So if you come back here to October 16, where it split off, it started out at an all-time high of $2,193, plummeted down, of course, and then from there it came up, and then in the crypto bull run and peak of December 17, January 18, peaked out at 722 bucks. We're currently sitting, let me stretch this out a bit. We're sitting at about 145.07 today. So we've got a decent amount of run to go on that one. Let's look at XLM. XLM has already surpassed its all-time high. XRP, XRP peaked out at $3 and something cents. If you want to take the risk on XRP, I mean, I didn't think XRP was even going to come back up to here, so maybe it might run up there. I just don't know. I don't know what that SEC lawsuit. I really don't know what the hell's going to happen with XRP, Ripple. So if you want to put some money in there, you can. Neo. So I have money in Neo. I bought Neo when it was called Ant Shares, and I bought it for pennies. So even after the crash of 18, where it ran all the way up to 188.89, even after it crashed down, I was still in the money. I held on to it, and so now it's back up to $37.84. It's probably going to hit at least its all-time high from here. I'm probably going to liquidate it in September, October, when everything peaks out. I don't think I'm going to hang on to Neo personally, but I think it is worth taking a look at for yourselves. It's easy to get in and out of. Let's come down. Let's look at Basic Attention Token. Was hit its previous all-time high, almost $2. It's floating around 62 cents right now. It may not be bad to get into it. Let's look at Ontology. So Ontology is interesting. Ontology is a project that was built on the Neo platform. So it's probably what's considered a second or third gen, actually probably third gen coin. It's floating around $1.10 currently. Its all-time high, $11.94. I think it'll get there. I really do. And you can take Ontology and put it on Exodus Wallet. I'll show you that real quick. Exodus. I actually like Exodus Wallet. Let's go to there and Exodus. You can download Exodus Wallet to your phone if you want. I like using it on desktop. The phone version doesn't show you as many assets, but it's a cool wallet, and so I like. Remind me later. I like this wallet. It holds a lot of assets. A number of assets on here, and I've got some Ontology on here, and I believe it earns rewards 3.71%, and it actually pays you in Ontology gas. So that's this right over here. So anyways, just kind of showing you that. And let's see here, close that out. Ravencoin is a new coin. It actually, I think it's like a third or fourth generation coin. I mined this for a little while, but it was just so dirt cheap. And once I moved my mining rig, I no longer, my PG&E bill was no longer factored into my rent, so I didn't want to run it anymore. If I can hook it up to like a solar panel, I'd probably start mining it again. Bitcoin Gold. This, for some reason, hasn't moved very much. It's still only like $15.30. Its all-time high was $463. I think it'll go there. I really think it'll go back to it, but it just hasn't moved yet. Yeah, Link is taken off. Let me see. Waves. Waves hasn't hit its all-time high yet. It's Crypterium. Crypterium is still low. This is one of Tika's picks, and its all-time high, $1.14. It's at 27 cents. I have a feeling it'll go up there. Algorand. Algorand is a relatively new coin. Its all-time high was $3.48. It's floating out around $1.66. Let's see here. Any other stuff? What's Zalika? Zalika, I don't have much price data on it. Or Zilliqa, I should say. Nimic. Don't have a ton of price data. Atom. I think Atom's got more room to run. I really do. I like Atom. It's all. Atom is the symbol for Cosmos. So you look over here, Cosmos. So Nest, okay, hasn't hit its all-time high. Let's see. Think of what else. I think I'm gonna pull the trigger and buy some of this Chiliz. And the reason why I'm interested in it, it's gone up. It wasn't moving very quickly at first. But what I like about this project is it's a project for creating NFTs. These are non-fungible tokens. They're like collector's items. And I guess this is going to be a big thing with the video game generation, man. Like, people like these digital collector things. One of the ways that these platforms are going to monetize is that there's different games like... oh god, what is that one game? Fortnite. That you can get items. You can purchase items within it. But the problem is you move it off the platform. Well, with tokens like this, these are going to create platforms. You can move those items and you can actually auction them off. It's really fascinating, and they're saying it's multi-billion dollars, that are going to roll into these platforms. Different sports franchises like NFL and NBA franchises are building NFTs on this Chiliz platform. So I have a feeling it could have some good potential. You might want to get some. If you want to know where to buy any of these coins, like what exchanges you can buy them on, all you guys got to do is go over to CoinGecko. Go to CoinGecko.com. They have an app for the phone as well, and you just type in the coin you're looking for. Come on, click on it, and you scroll down to the bottom here, and it shows you the platforms, the most reliable exchanges you can buy this on. Binance, well, Binance, this is probably the Binance.com platform. You can't get to there. They no longer allow Americans on that, but you can. I don't know. I don't think they offer it on the Binance.us platform. Hit BTC, you can get into that one as an American. Upbit, I'm not sure. And Paribu, I'd never heard of it. So I don't think you can get this on Crypto.com or eToro for that matter. Those are just being advertised. So, but I use CoinGecko a lot to find out where I can buy different tokens that aren't available, say like on Coinbase or Bittrex or Gemini. So, anyways, let's go back over and let's look at ADA, which is Cardano. Cardano. So its all-time high was $1.37. One of the people that I watch that's been pretty accurate says it's going to hit at least $2. It may even go up to $8 on this bull run. So just kind of something to keep in mind. This is Monero, Dogecoin. Fuck, this is like all-time highs. It's stupid that Dogecoin has gotten this high. It has no use case, but I guess it's got liquidity. I like this new cipher. I'm hearing a lot of good things. You can buy it on Coinbase. I bought it when it was like 20 something cents, I think. So I've had a pretty good run on this. It's at 76 cents and 76.20. Let's see here. I was told recently about this hedge trade. I haven't bought any yet. Let's see here. Blockstacks hasn't hit its all-time high yet. Funfair, I have a really good feeling about Funfair. I don't have the price to add on this because I'm pulling from the wrong exchange, but I think Funfair is going to go up pretty well. And where's Grin? I'll show you Grin. Funfair was one of Tika's like 5 coins to 5 million, one of his early ones. Let me see if I can pull up Grin's data. I'm gonna have to pull from a different exchange. Let's see. Grin. Let's try hit BTC. Let's go there. Grin. See if I can get. Okay. Yeah. Here's what I wanted. Okay. Grin is 66 cents and 66, 86. 66 cents and 86 of a cent, sort of thing, right? All-time high back in 2019, $6.96. I think Grin's going to get there. Grin could be a good token for you to pick up, guys. And then Qtum hasn't hit its all-time high. It's probably worth buying, even though you missed the airdrop, which was today. You can get in on this at a decent price. I think Qtum's a good one. I've actually made good money on it. So, something to think about. And anyway, I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update. And I know a couple of you have been asking me, like, what are some good coins maybe you can get into. Hopefully that'll give you some ideas. So, alright guys, that's it for right now.